So 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman. So what we got done on it, factory converters up there, right there, and right there. And it comes down and some of the weirdest I've ever seen into this weird funky Y pipe, back down the rest of the system. So I assume the muffler was huge. I haven't seen it yet, but we cut it out, put a Super 44 in its place right there. Part number 943048. And then we did a resonator delete right there, and he brought his own tip that we put on there. And the part number on the tip, I'm not gonna say that. There it is. Back out the back right there. Looks clean. It's nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications.
2022 Ram 1500 Classic V6 4x4. We put a FLOWMASTer Super 44, resonator delete, and tip. That sounds good. You approve? Yeah. All the way from Chattanooga, guys. We really appreciate him coming down. Look at that pop. Again? There's sound decibels for you guys. Again? That sounds good. I like it. I like that pop. Go ahead and back it out. And there's the muffler that was on it, guys, that we cut off. And it's got a baby resonator and another resonator. It's in there, but it's okay. It's got two resonators and a muffler that we took off. A sexy angle cut black 6-inch tip, or 5-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, I don't know. I think it's 5-inch. Oh, it sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. With a FLOWMASTer Super 4 rear delete, resonator delete, 5-inch black tip. Oh, that sounds so good. I like it. There it goes. Enjoy, guys.